It's not every day you get to hang out with some cool chimps and awesome orangutans.
Bubbles, he's over there. Michael Jackson's old chimpanzee. And the orangutan from Jay and Silent Bob is over there as well. So that's what's pretty cool.
Hawk Media students got the special behind-the-scenes tour of the Center of Great Apes located in Wauchula, Florida.
We had 6 students that went down there that conducted interviews, and it was really mainly observation to see what it's like, what the environments were like, and to watch the great apes, which were pretty entertaining. Some of them are still practicing their showbiz.
The sanctuary is nationally known for its conservation of orangutans and chimpanzees. Melanie Bond is the ape keeper here.
The biggest challenge for caring for the animals is trying to, with 45, make sure that everybody gets individual attention and keeping them enriched and busy, stimulated mentally and physically.
A tough task to do when you have 45 ape residents to take care of, but the workers here say it's a rewarding job. These mass communication students learn about the species and how these apes socially interact with each other. They also learn how important it is for the sanctuary to have a stable budget so they can continue to provide a safe environment here and maintain their well-being.
The biggest need for the center is always going to be funding. Our annual budget is $1.3 million, and our per animal cost per year is $19,000. And that's an average. Some animals with special needs are going to be more than that. Our little chimpanzee that has epilepsy and cerebral palsy is on medications to control his seizures, which are very expensive.
They were fun. There was a couple there that were quite fun. The orangutans, they were very laid back, which is great. The whole King Louie atmosphere from the Jungle Book. And then here, you had, or with the chimpanzees, you had the more outgoing, like really wanted to just meet you, touch you. Obviously you can't, but they, sticking their hands out of the bars, asking for food and whatnot. So that was the two differences, laid back and very out there.
You can read more about Hawk Media's great experience at Center for Great Apes in the latest edition of HEC's Hawkeye newspaper.
We went there to really learn more about it and to visit the sanctuary, and the students were able to see the members that volunteer their time to work with the great apes.
If you want to be an ape care volunteer, that involves 8 hours a week commitment. And volunteering to do ape care does not mean that you get to hold apes, because we are a hands-off facility. These animals are being socialized with each other and withdrawn from human socialization. So we want to encourage them to interact as chimpanzees or orangutans and not with humans.
This sanctuary actually helps a lot of apes, ex-apes from entertainment business, and honestly I had no idea that there was a place like this around here, and what they're doing there is really good for the animals there.
In Wauchula, Amon Bradford, Hawk TV News.